you got there, huh? Going on my Pokemon games? Actually, it's a configurator. See, it allows you to...
Hey guys, sorry for double booking you, but it's gonna save me a lot of time. Y'all wanna follow me? See, what I need here is a crossover, so we can get to the other side of the rack without walking around it each time. Of course, it's gotta be OSHA compliant.
Definitely gonna need a custom installation. But there's gotta be nothing to this one. That winch I made out front though, now that was something. Yeah, I've made it all. Bumper for my ATV. Coffee mug out of 8 bolts and some scrap. A smoker out of 2 55-gallon drums. Mailbox out of chain. A 100-foot ladder with some conduit. But that was nothing compared to the John boat I made from my buddy. 14 foot. Put a 150 on it. I caught on fire twice. Maybe 3 times. This what you're thinking?
Yeah, that's it. You know, I'm thinking we need to make it a little wider for better clearance.
Like this.
Exactly.
And you see here.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. So when can I expect a quote from you?
I get these drawings to my engineer and we'll get back to you.
Engineer?
Well, this is custom. These are just drawings. Now I can have my engineer finalize them, but he's gonna have to come back out here and take some more measurements. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. We gotta take this, hold on.
Well, how about you?
It's already in your email.
Really?
Right.
Well, how about that? Yeah. Hey, let's go talk details. Okay, so this is definitely OSHA compliant.
Always, right out of the box. Oh, there you guys are. Listen, I gotta call you back.
Yeah, well, look, I need this thing like yesterday. What kind of lead time are we talking about?
As with all of our products, yours is in stock and ready to ship. You could have as early as tomorrow.
What about installation?
Not a problem. Our systems can be installed in a matter of hours and you don't need much more than a wrench.
Damn.
There is another thing. You know, we have new equipment expansions, product demands, other things that necessitate layout changes. How do we handle that?
It's as easy to move and reconfigure as it is to order. The 5 main components make it infinitely reconfigurable.
Y'all gonna need a forklift to move all this into place?
No, just a hand truck would be fine.
Are you saying nothing's fabricated on site?
Nope.
And it's all in stock?
Yeah.
All high-grade aluminum?
Yes.
Made in America?
Yeah.
OSHA compliant?
Yes.
Quick assembly?
Yeah.
Heavy duty?
Yes.
Reconfigurable?
Uh-huh.
In stock?
You already asked that, but...
Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants, how many miles in the Daytona 500?
500?
So would this ErectaStep work with something like this?
Yeah. You could offer to your clients, then move on to more profitable projects.
Say, what are you doing tomorrow, say 1 p.m.?
Okay, look, just what is the catch?
There is none. We figured out a better way to build and sell crossovers and work platforms. It's that simple.
Well, that sounds great.
Yeah, that does sound good. Yeah.
Incredibly fast, infinitely reconfigurable, easily compliant,